Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. Today, we're taking a look at Santander UK, found online at santander.co.uk. This website serves as the digital hub for Santander's operations within the United Kingdom. Navigating the site, you'll discover a comprehensive array of financial services catering to both individual and business needs. From everyday banking solutions like current accounts and savings options, to more complex financial products such as mortgages, loans, and investment opportunities, Santander UK seemingly offers a wide spectrum of financial tools. The website itself is designed with a relatively straightforward layout, aiming for user-friendly navigation. Key services are often prominently displayed, allowing for quick access to commonly sought-after information. You can explore various account types, compare interest rates, and even apply for certain products directly through the website. Further exploration reveals resources dedicated to financial guidance and support, indicating an effort to empower customers with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. For those interested in business banking, a dedicated section outlines tailored services for companies of varying sizes. This includes specialized account management, financing options, and resources for international trade. The website also highlights Santander's commitment to security, emphasizing the measures taken to protect customer data and financial assets. In addition to core banking services, Santander UK also promotes its insurance products, offering coverage for homes, vehicles, and travel, further solidifying its role as a comprehensive financial provider. Overall, the Santander.co.uk website presents itself as a central resource for managing various financial needs within the UK. Whether you're seeking a simple checking account, a complex investment strategy, or specialized business solutions, the site offers a starting point for exploration and engagement with Santander's offerings. Remember to always conduct your own thorough research and compare options before making any financial decisions.